What's up, butts? It's Fly High FPV. How y'all doing? I wanted to tell y'all today that I won a Rippy. Look at this guy. I participated in first-person television's Rippies contest again this year. I'm also a sponsor, so I printed the Rippies and sent out prizes. But I won. I won the Proxy competition. So I'm going to pull this guy back. And we're going to open up this box. Let me get a little wider here. Let's see. Boom. Now we can see. Let's see what we got. I'm excited. I have no idea what's in the box. What's in the box? Best Proxy. Fly Eye. Hell yeah. I'm fucking stoked. I'm keeping this shit right here. Got the Rippies flag. Best Proxy. I love it. I love it. I love it. Stickers and stickers and more stickers. Hell yeah. I'm so stoked. Let's see what else we got in here. Oh, come on. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Oh, I know what that is. That's filament. Let's start here. Ah, shit. Let's start with the filament. Oh, this is the new SainsSmart GT3 filament. Let's pop it open and see. This is their high-speed TPU. It's high flow, supposed to be stiffer, and apparently it may be compatible with the A1 AMS. This guy over here. Right now, all I can run on it is hard plastics, but this stuff is supposed to be good enough to run on the AMS. I could do multicolor out of it. So I'm excited to try that. Thank you, SainsSmart. We really appreciate you. SainsSmart's been sponsoring for a long time too. I think they've sponsored every year that I've sponsored, which has been 3 or 4 years. They fucking rock. I love SainsSmart, by the way. Look, let me just show you one other thing real quick. All of my filament here, all this TPU, all SainsSmart, all SainsSmart. Absolutely love them. So good. Exclusive TPU provider for Fly High FPV is SainsSmart. Absolutely love them. They're so good. I got all the colors. But this is the new GT3. I want to try it. See how it does. It's like a high flow rate TPU. And supposedly it works in the AMS. I'm not sure. We'll have to find out. But it's 95A, so it's regular hardness. Can't wait to try it. Thank you, SainsSmart. Oh, what is this? Oh, for me? I love it. Oh, I might have to give this to my cat, though. He deserves one of those. Nazgul of Volk pin, iFlight strap, a little chamois for my lens. Let's see. Get my lens clean. I love it. Ooh, rushfpv. It's got the classic cherry antenna. This is a little UFL antenna, and it's perfect for your 03 or your 04s. Yeah, great antennas. Super stoked. It's I'm guessing, yeah, right hand polarized. Little lanyard clip, just send it. Another chamois. We can get the lens real clean today. I love it. One for my GoPros too. More battery straps from iFlight. What is this? What is this? Some kind of keychain? Contains nicotine. Can I smoke this? Looks like a bottle opener. Cool. Somebody will have to fill me in. What sponsor is this from? It's neat. I like bottle openers. I'm not sure how they contain nicotine. Hey, look! That's one of my stickers. It smells like chicken. You're holding it wrong. There's more. I gave the gift to myself. Ooh, Fatstrap. Man. Oh, and candy too. It looks like some kind of clip tool. And a pin. Man, Fatstrap makes the best straps. I'm so excited about this. They make really, really heavy duty, super unique, super strong, like probably the best quality strap there is on the FPV market. These things are dope. This one's got clips, so it looks like it'll work with your V2 or G2 or Fat Sharks or Orcas or Walk Snails. Yeah, got a nice little pocket here to hold the battery in place. And he does custom straps too, so if you're doing events and things like that, hit him up and he'll make dope ass straps just for you. Some stickers, some more stickers. Armaton. Is Armaton a sponsor? I like Armaton. Oh, sainsmart t-shirt. Small. We'll get that away too. There's something else in here. There's something. What is this? What is this? What is this? Oh, I think I know what this is. Oh, it is. It is. It's from WeBleed. It's the WeBleed hot sauce. I love this. I've still got a little bit left from my first bottle. I'm so stoked. Thank you, Zotek. You rock. You know, WeBleed sponsors like every event. He is amazing, dude. So awesome part of this community. If you're looking for a place to get yourself some whoops, this guy right here, he's the one to go to. He rocks. webleedfpv.com. Got the sauce. Thank you to all the sponsors of First Person Television. Thank you to Miss Dawn. You rock. Seriously, putting this on again and again and again. I just can't believe it. Thank you for letting me be a part of it. Thank you for letting me win, boo. Last year you whooped my ass. Here we go. Make sure you enter this year. First Person Television Discord. There is a link in my bio if we're on Instagram. Make sure you go check it out. They do a stream late every Friday night. It's like 11:11 Eastern, 10:11 if you're my time. Lots and lots of fun. They're always streaming the community videos and stuff. And yeah, they do this dope ass contest every year. There's a big meetup. It was in Scranton, Pennsylvania this year. I don't know where they're going to do it this year. Talks are probably starting to happen now though. Yeah, get over to their Discord. The link will be in my bio. First Person Television Discord, home of the Rippies. Thank you so much, Miss Dawn, and everybody who entered and competed and voted and watched, and you guys all rock. See y'all next year.